126th Weekly Shulini TV News Bulletin, where we get you the latest news straight from the campus. First, the headlines. Shulini University's 11th Marathon evokes great response. Inaugural of Himalayan Summit at Shulini Universities open on Friday. 20 Shulini researchers among world top 2% scientists. Shulini University law students attend Lok Adalat at Shimla High Court. And now the news in details. The 11th Marathon evokes a great response. Meghna has the information on it. Go ahead, Meghna.
Over 600 students and staff members participated in Shulini University's 11th Marathon, dedicated to a drug-free India. The marathon was flagged off by Solan Deputy Commissioner Mr. Manmohan Sharma from Todo Ground on Saturday. Originally scheduled for September 5th, the marathon was postponed due to adverse weather conditions. It was rescheduled to align with Hindi Divas, adding a cultural touch to the event. The marathon featured two routes, a 10-kilometer course for female participants ending at 0 point and a 15-kilometer course for male participants concluding at the Milkha Singh Stadium. It was an inspiring event, not only promoting physical fitness but also advocating for a drug-free India. Adequate safety steps were taken with the help of Solan police and volunteers from Shulini along the route of the marathon. Among others, Additional Deputy Commissioner Mr. Ajay Kumar Yadav, Chancellor Professor P.K. Khosla and Mrs. Saroj Khosla were present at the flag-off. Shelza from MBA emerged as the top female runner, while Leandre from BTech Biotech led in the men's category. The marathon was organized by Dr. Neeraj Gandotra and his team, along with Mr. Vikrant Chauhan and the Director Operations Brigadier Sunil Mehta.
Thanks, Meghna. Moving on, we have a report on the upcoming 2 days International Leadership Coaching event. Lisa has the details. Go ahead, Lisa.
The inaugural Himalayan Summit at Shulini University, scheduled for September 2021, promises to set a new standard in leadership, development and coaching. The event will bring together 30 leading figures from various sectors, including notable C-suite executives and global thought leaders, to explore innovative leadership practices. Featuring high-profile speakers such as General VP Malik, Ms. Magdalena Novica Mook and Mr. Prem Singh, the summit will focus on integration coaching into corporate and academic environments. Professor Atul Khosla highlighted the summit goals of fostering leaders who emphasize empathy, innovation and sustainable growth. The Center for Leadership Coaching launch conference will offer interactive workshop and sessions across 10 key sectors, aiming to provide actionable strategies, innovation, resilience and excellence. The summit will focus on academia and corporate leadership promises to equip participants with the skill needed for the evolving business and educational landscape. Professor Atul Khosla, Vice Chancellor of Shulini University, said the summit reflects our commitment to the developing leaders who can navigate modern complexities with integrity and foresight. He said leadership is not just about authority but about empathy, innovation and sustainable growth. Ms. Payal Jandal Khanna, convener of the summit, said one of the aims of the conclave is to provide tailored strategies for corporate leaders to adapt and thrive in an evolving business landscape, while also preparing future academic leaders to be both skilled and visionary.
On to the next report, we have a great news about the Shulini scaling new heights with the researchers figuring among the top 2% researchers in the world. Anmol has the more details.
In a significant achievement, 20 researchers from Shulini University have been recognized among the world's top 2% scientists in a prestigious list compiled by Stanford University based on Scopus data from Elsevier. The Stanford University list, widely regarded as a benchmark for scientific impact, features two distinct categories, one based on career-long data and another focusing on performance in the year 2023. The researchers recognized for the outstanding performance in 2023 include Sadanand Pandey, Pradeep Singh, Gaurav Sharma, Pankaj Raizada, Amit Kumar, Shyam Singh Chandel, Shantanu Mukherjee, Dhriti Kapoor, Anil Kumar, Vasudha Hasija, Amit Kumar, Anita Siddique, Pooja Dhiman, Rohit Sharma, Gururaj Jaiprakash, Rohit Jasrotia, Dinesh Kumar, Rajesh Kumar, Deepak Kumar, and Poonam Negi. 8 of these scientists also featured in the career log impact list: Sanatan Pandey, Shantanu Mukherjee, Gaurav Sharma, Shyam Singh Chandel, Pradeep Singh, Amit Kumar, Pankaj Raizada, and Anil Kumar. Meanwhile, Shulin University has scored far better in the Stanford University lists than those universities which are ranked higher under the National Institutional Rankings framework of the Union Education Ministry. The university was ranked 70 in NIRF and has 20 researchers in the top 2% of the world's 2% scientists list. The university researchers have been consistently improving representation in the top 2% list. From 5% in 2020, the university has now 20 researchers in the list. For a young institution like Shulin University, founded in 2009, this level of recognition is particularly noteworthy. It places the university alongside some of the most established research institutions globally.
Thanks and more. We must all be proud of Shulini researchers reaching the highest of excellence. Moving ahead, we have a report on an educational visit to the High Court of Shimla. Over to you, Sahil.
The Legal Aid Clinic of the School of Law at Shulin University organized an educational visit to the National Lok Adalat session held at the High Court, Shimla, providing students with valuable insights into alternative dispute resolution mechanisms. Students from Shulin University's School of Law witnessed the Lok Adalat proceedings, which were presided over by a panel of legal professionals, deepening their practical understanding of the Indian legal system. The visit to the Lok Adalat was a transformative experience for the students, who witnessed the resolution of real-life disputes firsthand. More such visits are planned by the Faculty of Law.
Thanks, Sahil. And before we conclude, here are Radio Shulini shows by RJ Alopa.
Hi everyone, I'm Alopa and I'm here to brief you about the upcoming shows on Radio Shulini. Shulini 101 by RJ Anushka, Fake Matyar by RJ Vani, and Audio Brahman by RJ Ahana. Don't forget to tune in to these amazing shows on Radio Shulini, Awaaz Wadiyon Ki.
That's all for this week. Thank you for watching. We shall bring you the next edition next Friday. Till then, take care, stay safe, and don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button before you head out. Also do comment if you want us to add something new to the bulletin. Namaskar.